Okay, so here's our pre-surgery look at our 30 happy and healthy babies at Quick Fix in Ohio. It is the 7th of September, and as you can see, everyone made it down happy and healthy, and this is the last we're going to see them so energetic. So all of our babies are getting spayed and neutered and deafening us in the meantime. Everyone's pretty. Everyone's happy. Everyone's gonna get spayed and neutered, right guys? Yes, we're gonna get spayed and neutered